Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rajesh Bhakthachalam from My Digital Brand. Today, I want to share some insights on a powerful tool that plays a crucial role in ranking the website in Google search results. It's none other than Google Search Console. In today's session, I will demonstrate practically how to integrate website with Google Search Console. But before doing that, let's see how it works and the benefits. Google Search Console, often referred as GSC, is a free service provided by Google to help website owners to monitor, optimize, and troubleshoot the site presence in Google search results. Our website and Google Search Console is interlinked through a 4-step process. Step number 1. When a user creates and publishes a piece of content into the website through a blog or an article, this will be crawled by the search engines. Usually, search engines use sitemaps to crawl the data across the website. So once crawling is done, this will be indexed into the Google search engine index. Once it is indexed, it will be tagged to the relevant keywords. In the final step, search engine algorithms will come into picture and decide the quality of the content. Based on the quality of the content, the rankings will be assigned and it will be presented to the user based on the search query. Without wasting any much time, let's log into my website and connect it to the Google Search Console. I am logging to my website called dryfruitsnuts.in. So I am going to integrate this website with Google Search Console. I am logging into my Google Search Console account. Now you can see I have already two websites integrated with my Google Search Console. Now I am planning to integrate my another website by adding the property. Click Add Property. Now there are two types of integration available. You can use domain based verification also. Just enter your website name. Click Continue. Just copy this. You need to copy paste this into the DNS configuration of the dryfruitsnuts.in website. To do that, I am going to the control panel to upload the file. I have my website directory in Hostinger, so I am just logging into my Hostinger account to upload this file. I am going to my website dryfruitsnuts.in. Go to DNS zone editor, click text and enter the text value. DNS record has been added now. Now try to do a verify. Now you can see the ownership has been verified. Now we can see the dryfruitsnuts.in website has been integrated. As the website is newly added, it doesn't have any data. Let me showcase you with my alternate website. Now you can see it showing the total clicks and impressions and the average position of my website. Similarly, it will show the pages which has been indexed already and the sitemaps available for my website. So now we have successfully connected our website with Google Search Console. I believe I have done my best to explain the Google Search Console process and how it works. On top of that, we integrated a website with Google Search Console today. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the content shared. In next session, we will see how to create a high quality article and rank in Google Search Console. Thanks everyone for watching my channel.